Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, I want to talk a little bit about my new tong rack situation that I've got going on here. So thank you for joining me today. And I want to take and give a huge shout out and thank you to Uncle Buck's Forge. If you haven't seen him yet, I'll leave a link to his channel down in the description down below. He does some things for different blacksmiths here and there, different tool related things, and helps guys out, and he's helped me out. He had got me some of these racks that he had made for himself, and I just wanted to say thank you for those. Now this isn't a sponsored video, but Uncle Buck is a good friend of the channel. We've had great conversations. I've been to his house many a times, and just hanging out as friends, and he just happened to give me these. So I just wanted to show him a little bit of love and send him a little more attention that way. Again, his YouTube channel will be linked up down in the description down below, and I'll try to put a video at the end of the video. You know, something you can go click on. But anyways, yeah, so I've got this whole situation settled now, I think, for right now. These can always be removed at any point in time in the future. But right now, I think this is the tentative place where they're going to stay. Now I've got my power hammer sitting over here. That's not where that's going to eventually live forever. It's actually going to be going along the wall, clear over here. You guys can't see that on camera. But my eventual plan is to have about 2 power hammers and a press over that direction over there, a large hammer and a small hammer. And that'll all be sitting over there. And then this will be just nothing but for tongs and hammers and things of that nature, stuff related to the actual forge and anvil right here at hand. I do hope to put some more racks like this up over by the power hammers as well. So this way I have a place to arrange all my power hammer tooling, like you may see over there. Just hanging right by the power hammer if it's in frame there. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you up real close here in a second and just show you what I'm talking about here, kind of what I did a little bit, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So here we are. It's a pretty simple construction actually. This whole thing was plasma cut out. It was a plasma cut out frame. You can see a little bit of it right there, if you will. You can see how that was cut out. And all I did was take, and if you guys will excuse the shaky footage, all I did was take and welded some bars. Excuse me. I welded some bars across there. So this way the hammers would not fall through. Pull that off there. Hopefully you guys can see that. So I've got those bars welded in there so the hammers won't fall through. And it also gives me some other mounting options for when we come down here. So when we're doing tongs, now we can have 2 or 3 rows, trying to get a good camera angle here. There's not really a great one. But now we can have 2 or 3 rows deep, almost 4 rows deep of tongs if need be. So you can see that takes up a lot of tongs there. You guys will have to forgive me, I'm working with very little lighting here and shading and everything else. But you can see I've got this stowed here for right now. I've got stuff like my, this goes in the anvil here. It's just a little bit of a scroll jig. We've made that in previous videos, an old swedge block. All my power hammer tooling. You can see these bars better over here. I don't know why I didn't think about that before. And it goes on clear up to the other side that's holding some dies for the old power hammer there. But yeah, so that's kind of just basically it. The whole piece is about 12 feet long. And in that 12 feet, I can hold quite a bit of kit, and I'm super happy and excited about that. Because previously, all that you're seeing there now was on the ground. All that was sitting on the ground. Now I've been able to reduce both some toolboxes and some buckets. So I'll be able to, you know, kind of mess with those a little bit, kind of condense some buckets and things, and get some toolboxes out of the way. And it should come out pretty great. Okay, so there you have it. There was a really short and brief look at the tong rack that I just put up, tong/hammer rack, and kind of everything rack for right now. Again, big shout out to Uncle Buck's Forge. Thank you, sir, so much for gifting me those racks over there. They're great. Now, when he did gift me that when he did gift me those racks, I was supposed to take and hang all that metal that you see back there up in vertical position. So I'm going to be coming back again through his portion of Ohio, and hopefully maybe he can part ways with a few more. I just needed, the most need right now that I needed was some of this tong, something to take and do my tongs with, and this was the best way to get it done. So again, big thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to support content like this, check out our website, www.blacksmithpdfs.com. We'll catch you later. God bless.